how to add private link in Snapchat story. Watch this video till the end. First thing first, open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here, scroll down to My Story section and select New Private Story. Then select the friends you want to include in this private story. Once chosen, hit Create Story at the bottom. Additionally, you can rename the story if you want and hit Save. Now open your private story you just created. Here, either tap on the camera icon to capture a photo or a video, or select one from your camera roll. After selecting your snap, look at the sidebar menu and click on the attachment icon. Furthermore, enter the link you want to share. Finally, click on Attach to Snap button. Now your snap will include the link and only the friends you selected can see it. Finally, hit the Send button. And that's it. You have successfully added a private link to a Snapchat story.